Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok. Welcome to my home. Just in time for the British summer, this series is all about barbecuing and cooking on fire. A lot of you probably didn't know that I love to cook on coal. We're here at my house for this week's Saturday Special, gochujang wings on the barbecue once again. Gochujang style chicken wings, a lot of the time they're deep fried in restaurants. I think everyone's out to play. It's a nice day. Sorry about that. So I've got ginger and garlic to start. Pretty much a classic recipe for the sauce. So 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. I'm going to use all this because I've got quite a lot of chicken wings here. And then about a similar amount of honey, so 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. I don't want to go overboard with that because it will catch quite quickly. We've got your gochujang, your Korean chili paste. So be generous with it. It's quite spicy, but it's got a good sweetness to it as well. So I've got 3 spoons there of your gochujang. Some sesame seeds, and they'll brown and sort of almost stick to the skin and crisp up a little. You've got some rice vinegar. You want, again, a couple of tablespoons of rice vinegar, and that should balance out the sweetness of this sauce. So give that a good massage through, and you can see the gochujang really sort of going into that sauce, making that bright red colour. The honey will stick into it nicely as well, but the soy sauce, that light soy sauce, will give it that salty flavour. So you've got sweet, salty, savoury, spicy, touching every single sense, and that's why something like this, that's actually very simple, is so tasty. As with everything, if you were to marinate this overnight, great, but because the flavour of the sauces is quite strong, you can cook this straight away as well. I've got a load of spring onion here as well. You don't have to add it, but I think it adds flavour, especially if you're sort of sitting this overnight, then you'll get a lot of natural sort of savoury flavour from those spring onions. So this barbecue is at a perfect heat to cook chicken wings because you want to cook them through really well, but you don't want them to burn. So actually, again, I'm going to put this just off the coals. So the coals on the sides of the barbecue. I'm cooking these on the centre of the barbecue. The reason for that is that it's still at a good sort of 200 degrees or 250 degrees C. So I don't want them to overcook or burn on the outside and undercook on the inside. So make sure you give them enough space to cook through nicely and brown all the way round. Any sort of extra spring onion can go over the top of your chicken wings. We'll leave the sauce for later to brush over the top. Cover that. 10-15 minutes and then give them a turn. So at this point, once your chicken wings are cooked, you do want to baste them with that extra marinade. Get all that spiciness on there. Just be careful because with this sort of honey and that sort of caramelizing, you can see a couple of them are burnt already. So just go careful on them and try and sort of move them around once you're ready. These chicken wings are already cooked. They're just being finished off now on that charcoal. Can't wait to dig in. So once they've got a nice char around, it takes a bit of time with chicken wings, you know, I actually always cook my chicken wings last on a barbecue because you want your coal to have sort of gotten to a nice sort of even temperature. You know, I'm about 250 degrees probably, something like that. But with that sort of moving around, it makes all the difference. Give it time, let them cook through, and then allow them to crisp up over the coal whilst turning and basting. That is the key to good barbecued chicken wing. My neighbours have gone quiet because I think they're hungry. If you stay quiet for 10 minutes, I'll bring you some chicken wings. How about that? Yeah! Nice and easy. You can see all you need to do is dress that a little with a bit of coriander, spring onion, throw that over the top. Gochujang chicken wings, simple as that. Huh. That's hot even for chef's hands. Perfectly cooked inside, falling off the bone, but still intact. Crisp on the outside. Love it. If you like this recipe and you want to learn more just like these gochujang wings, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.